Come, you masters of war.
$9 billion.
You that build the big guns. You that build the death planes. You that hide behind discs. I just don't want you to know I can see through your masks.